If you are a Cars fan and familiar with the likes of social media, you may have heard of a trend going around that since Mater lives in a junkyard of old car parts, that is the equivalent to him living in a facility full of dead bodies, organs, and disfigured ligaments. I'm here to tell you that this theory is false. Why is no one freaking out over Mater from Cars? The guy lives in a junkyard full of car parts, which wouldn't be that bad if he didn't exist in a universe of talking cars. At first glance, this quote makes a lot of sense. Mater's junkyard is filled with old parts, such as wheels, hubcaps, lug nuts, etc. These parts are obviously crucial for a car's assembly, like the body parts of us humans. But the fact of the matter is, these parts aren't the equivalent of cars' organs. Throughout the Cars series, we can see clearly that McQueen and his friends have tongues and brains, of course the tongue being an important factor to the plot of the first Cars film. We also see that in Cars 3, McQueen trains himself to try and beat Jackson Storm, but you can't just train a car to go faster in real life, unless these cars in this fictional universe have muscles that they can train to spin their wheels faster. The mechanical parts of Pixar Cars aren't their organs, their actual organs are. Any part of them that can be replaced isn't officially part of them. Cars aren't the same species as humans. They are a hybrid of mechanical parts and biological parts. They are cyborgs, if you will. And if someone has a computer in their room, they aren't surrounding themselves with dead body parts, are they? That's right, this post has officially been debunked. The only thing sketchy going on in Mater's junkyard is the mystery of the ghost light. That, and of course the license plates on this doorway, which clearly did belong to deceased cars. Alright, Cars 8, signing out.